Okay, you know what the problem is, you know what's missing, you know what you have to do, and you've decided how you're going to do it. Now it's a question of doing it. Now we know that the events just don't unfold as we expect. Life just doesn't happen that way. So what we need to do, and what you need to document, is what did actually happen. What did you do? I know what you planned to do, but what actually happened? Now the reason for doing this is because a great deal of the validity of your results depend on the execution of finding that results. So for investigation, for gathering information, for example, the results are probably better if you're doing a literature search. You get the information from reputable sources, so we need to know those sources. If you use the search term, or you plan to use a search term, but when you searched you didn't find that was particularly useful, but you changed that to a different search term and it was much more useful, we need to know that. If you're doing design, you started out designing something, but in the process of design, when you were doing your evaluations of the design, you discovered in fact you were trying to design the wrong thing, and you decided to design something else to respond to the problem. We need to know that. We need to know, why is it that you produced something other than what you said? And why is what you produced a valid thing to do? For development, well, with software development anyway, the validity of the results is largely a matter of quality assurance. And we know a great deal about quality assurance in software development. And that is keeping the source code clean, and version control, or defect tracking, and testing and things like that. So all of that is, we need to know how you did all that. And for problem solving, just application of a particular method, usually there are some constraints on applying that method. Either there needs to be some circumstances present before that method's appropriate, or there's some constraints on just exactly how you apply that method. And what we need to know is, did that happen? Did you do that? And that you must tell us all of that.